today we're gonna be throwing objects into the alphabet, which are these massive letters, by the way. And please leave a suggestion on what I should do next in the comments. So let's get started with this.
Bag up.
Alright, here we go. Right in the letter A. The first letter of the alphabet. Oh, when it's falling, everything is falling else. Oh, damn. Oh my god, and the B2? I just hit the goal, okay? Okay, if I hit the letter, you have to subscribe. E, wow. Oh, wow, I didn't hit the dynamite, unfortunately, but I was kind of aiming for that, but you know, it's alright. Yeah! Oh my god, I broke the letter E. I am so talented.
Just stop it.
Pew, pew, pew. Which letter do you think I'm gonna, guys, say this? But that was kind of surprising. Let's try this big one. Let's try this big one next time. Okay. Again. I mean, that wasn't actually bad. I did hit something. Okay, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. C. And it's still inside. Okay, next one. Let's go. Kaboom! Oh, right in the face of the letter. I'm so sorry, C. I'm so sorry, the letter C. Ooh, okay, again and again and again. No! Boom! I think that's a D. Oh, I never realized that's a D. Right in its forehead, by the way, too. Oh, that is sick. Right in the letter D. Again, right in the middle. Poor letters. Come on, letter A.
Boom.
Yes, that's what I thought. Right in the head. I'm sorry, letter A. Alright, now this one. And the same spot.
Wow.
Yeah, that wasn't much.